Great day. My name is Rachel Cunningham Xavier. I'm the Assistant Director in the Office of Career and Professional Development at Southern Connecticut State University. And this video is to show our internal and external employers how to post jobs on our jobs site for students to be able to view your opportunities. First thing you would do is go to southernct.edu, and you would go to the upper right-hand corner to Inside Southern. From there, you would scroll down and head to Campus Resources and click Career and Professional Development. On our site, you will see this image. You would scroll down and hit Employer Login. If you have a username and password that you've created previously, please use that. If you haven't, you will go through a short registration process in order for you to be able to post positions. This site is free of charge. Once you do that, you will head to this landing page once you've signed in, and then click Post a Job. From there, you scroll down and click Post a Job again. It will then ask you if you want to post for this school only or if you want to post for Simplicity Network schools. Based on what type of registration type you are, you will most likely click this school only. From there, you will be able to answer these prompts on what you are looking for from the position, creating a position description. Once you have filled out the sections that are asterisked, along with the sections you would like to add additional information for, you will go to the bottom or top and click Submit. Once you submit, it will send to our portal for us to be able to approve. If you need it approved a little more quickly, you can contact us on our About Us page with our contact information. I'm looking forward to seeing your opportunities on our site, and we thank you so much for your partnership.